Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Kayla and here we love to talk about all things luxury and high-end makeup and beauty. So today I picked up a ton, I'm looking at them, a ton of products from the new Half Magic Beauty. It's the makeup line that was created by the makeup artist Donnie Davy, who does all of the makeup on the TV show Euphoria. And if you're familiar with it, the makeup looks are amazing. So I'm so glad that she came out with this new line. So I picked up a lot of the products and I used them all on my face today. So if you want to hear my thoughts on the products as well as see them in action and see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I picked up a lot of these products. So I'm going to be using all of them to create an eye look today. So I already have my entire face done, everything except for my eyes and highlighter because I'm gonna use this beautiful product. So let's go ahead and get started and create an eye look. So first I'm gonna go in with this, it's called, I think I'm pronouncing it right, it's called Chromaddiction, and this is one of the matte shades in the shade called Sky Juice. It is just this beautiful, perfect periwinkle blue kind of color. I apologize for the noise. That's Mickey playing with his toy and he's just having so much fun right now. I don't want to take it away from him. But it's such a beautiful periwinkle color. I haven't used these matte ones yet, so I'm super excited. So I just have this like liner brush. I don't know when or where. It's from It Cosmetics apparently, but I've had this thing for ages. And I'm just gonna pick some up on the brush and I'm gonna create a wing. Oh my gosh, that color, y'all, is so gorgeous. Okay, well, that was probably the easiest wing I think I've ever done in my life. For somebody who doesn't really like super bold makeup looks, you could just do this on both eyes, pop on some mascara and be done. But I have to be extra and I want to use all of these shades, so we're going to do a lot more than that today. So let me go do that on the other eye and I'll be back. Okay, so I kind of just want to leave it like that, but for the sake of testing out all of the shades, we're going to go in with all of them. So next I have this other Chromaddiction matte shade in the shade We Are Aliens, and it is just this super fun green color. I'm going to take that same brush and I'm just going to create another wing on top of that one. That performed really beautifully. I will say if you don't let it dry and if you have hooded eyes, it will transfer to your upper lid a little bit, but once it dries, it's not transferring to my lid. That shade is beautiful. These colors together are, oh, it just speaks to my heart. So I'm gonna go add that green to the other eye and I'll be back. Okay, so obviously I ended up doing something a little different. I added more of that green shade We Are Aliens and put it more like all over my lid, and then used Sky Juice shade to kind of create an outline of the wing, and I do like how it turned out. So next I got this glitter pill in the shade Microcosm, and I know that this is not gonna pick up in all of its glory on camera, but y'all, when I tell you this is the prettiest glitter I have ever seen in my life, it's really stunning. So if you leave it sitting, it does settle. So I'm gonna go ahead and shake it up a little bit. It's very liquidy and it has this just little tiny little applicator, and I think I'm gonna kind of go around the outside of this and use this glitter. It's very subtle, but I think when you are in the light and when the light hits it, it's gonna be so pretty. So I'm actually gonna add it to my, just why not, you know, we're going crazy, we're just going for it. I'm gonna add it on top of that Sky Juice shade closest to my lash line. So it didn't pick up any of the product. It didn't move any of the product around, which is really, really great. So, okay, this is, oh my gosh, I love this, y'all. I just want to slather it all over my body. So I'm gonna go do the same thing on the other side and I'll be back. Okay, so like I said, I just wanna go ahead and slather that over my whole body. It's really pretty. Like I said, I added it over the blue closest to my lash line and then above the blue. And I just really hope it's gonna pick up on camera because it is stunning. So next I want to take this Chromaddiction Shimmer shade in the shade Spirit Guide. This shade, y'all, is really, really, really pretty. And I'm actually gonna add that to my lower lash line. I have a BK Beauty number 204 brush. Let me swatch this for y'all because I just need y'all to see how pretty and multi-dimensional this shade is. It's really pretty. So last, but certainly not least for the eye shades, I have the Chromaddiction Shimmer in the shade A.S.M.R. And let's go ahead and swatch it. It is so beautiful. I'm gonna take that same brush, I cleaned it off, and I think I'm just going to pop this kind of in the inner corners of my eye, but we'll see. Just really, really pretty. I just popped it in the inner corner and just kind of took it up to my brow because why not? So I'm gonna go add that shade to the other side, add some mascara, and then we're gonna come back and play with the lip cloud and lip liner as well as the powder highlighter product. All right, mascara is on. This is so fun, y'all. I love this stuff. So next I'm gonna use this Liptrik. I love this packaging. Look how pretty. And the shade Enter the Glow. So it's cardboard packaging, and this thing kind of, if you can see it, it kind of sticks out. So this closes like that. So this is the shade. It is a powder, but it's very, very creamy. It's like this gold, but it's got purpley kind of reflex in it. I wore this the other day over like a Charlotte Tilbury cream eyeshadow, and it was so, so pretty. Just really pretty, multi-dimensional, and like I said, it's a powder, but it feels like a cream. So I'm actually gonna use this as a highlight today. I have my Sonia G cheek brush. Oh, that's so, so pretty. Definitely has like that purpley pink kind of, I don't want to say glitter because it's not thick, but you can definitely see the like purple and pink in it as well as the gold, and it's just stunning. So let me pop that on my other cheek and then we'll come back and finally do lips. Okay, so I got the lip kit and it came with this Sculptitude 2-in-1 lip liner. On one side it has the shade I'll Pray For You, and then the other side is I Have Needs. And then it also came with this mouth cloud in the shade Magic Brownie. So let me go ahead and swatch these. It's just like a double-sided kind of plasticky container. So this is the lip liner shade in the shade I Have Needs. And then this is the shade I'll Pray For You. And then here is the mouth cloud in Magic Brownie. Just a really pretty reddish brown that pairs really, really beautifully with the lip liner in I'll Pray For You. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lip liner in I'll Pray For You. So there's that lip liner shade on its own. I applied it very, very lightly. And now we're gonna apply the Magic Brownie shade in the mouth cloud on top. It really is just the perfect like 90s reddish brown kind of shade. I wore it the other day with the I Have Needs liner underneath. That is this one right here, and it picked up a little bit too orangey on me, but I have worn the Mouth Cloud by itself and it's beautiful, and then I really like this combo as well. So this is the finished look, y'all. This is such a fun makeup line. I'm a huge fan of the show Euphoria, especially the makeup look. So when Donnie Davies said she was coming out with this, I was like, I have to get it. Can I wear this every day? Absolutely not. I work in a hospital, so this would not be appropriate, but on the weekends, and if you're going to just like a party, especially something in the evenings, this like glitter pill is gonna pick up the light so pretty. You can use these eyeshadows and not create something as bold. I just wanted to be able to show y'all all of the products. You could do like I did when I just used that one Sky Juice shade just to create a liner, just for a little bit of pop of color, and be done with it. So this is really bold, but like I said, I wanted to use all of the products. We have the powder on my cheekbones, the lipstick, the lip cloud, the lip liners on my lips, and overall, I'm really impressed with this brand. I just think it's so much fun. I just think that makeup is just an expression of yourself, and it's something that's meant to be fun, and this allows people to do that, just to have fun and play with makeup, and I love it. So let me know in the comment section down below if you picked anything up from this line. And as always, if you like this video, please be sure to hit that like button. And if you like my content, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of our little fam here on YouTube. And as always, if you're not following me over on Instagram, it's at beautybykaylak. I'd love to see you over there too. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!